I have these two pieces of wood from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by using Elmer's glue and that little bit of hot glue for that instant hold and putting them together. Then I'm going to take these three little small blocks, you can get them in a pack at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put them on either side of my post. And I'm going to put that aside to dry. I had this little mailbox left over from Christmas. It is cardboard, and I'm going to take my Wise Owl white primer and a foam dabber and cover the entire mailbox. I found if I did this stippling motion, it covered pretty quickly. I am going to have a little bit of texture, but this is going to keep me from saturating the cardboard by having less paint. And I'm going to allow that to dry. We're going to be using this tissue paper by Redesigned by Prima. It's called Delicate Charm, and it has this royal blue. There's some bees and some scrolling on the pattern, this powder gray and this powder pink, or like a shrimp color. I'm going to go with the blue. I'm going to take my mailbox and I'm going to measure out the amount of tissue paper I need. This tissue paper is not like the Roycycled. It kind of has that drier sheet feel. It's very flexible and very easy to work with. I'm going to cover my mailbox in 1-hour enamel clear. You can get this in 4 ounces at chocolatefancy.com along with this paper. And I'm going to wrap the paper around the box. Because of its thickness, you're going to feel at first that it's not really grabbing to the box. The tip with this is you really want to saturate it. It's almost like putting on material. So once you get it done, adhered to your box, you're going to go back and you're going to cover the entire box with the 1-hour enamel clear, and then I put it aside to dry. However, before I allow this to dry, I want to cut off any excess, as the 1-hour enamel clear is going to act like a glue and I won't be able to open the door. So I want to get all this excess material off, open the door, and set it aside to dry. Once dry, I'm going to go in and take off that little bit of excess material left using a razor blade. I'm going to go to my post and I'm going to cover this in our Wise Owl white primer. And then I found this little mug at the Dollar Tree. Once my post dries, I'm going to place it inside my mug. I found this little palette also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm glue it to the base, the bottom of my box. And then I'm going to glue that to the top of my post. I'm going to glue grass around the base of the post so it looks like it's coming out of the mug. And I love the mug because it has a little heart handle. I found this cutout heart probably at either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it in our Bowie. And I'm going to glue it to the door of my mailbox. Guys, there's so many ways you can decorate this mailbox. Maybe in the comments you can give me ideas of how you would decorate yours. But I found this ribbon also at the Dollar Tree, and it has the little hearts. Very feminine, and I wrapped it around the base of my mailbox and then went around the edge of the door with the same ribbon. I'm going to take a craft stick and paint it in Bowie as well. And then once that dries, I'm going to glue it to the side of my mailbox and add this little heart that I got from the Dollar Tree in a bag. I'm going to put one in the front and one in the back just so that it looks good from either side. And I think this came out really cute. I'd love to hear how you would decorate yours. And I really hope you enjoy this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much.